If they can take a marker and make marks on a whiteboard, they can use this platform.
You won't have to do Excel look-aheads anymore. And I was like, well, wait, what do you mean I don't have to do Excel look-aheads? Because that's been the bane of my existence as a superintendent for 10 years.
Prior to Outbuild, we didn't have an app on your iPad that you could walk outside and go check and see what's going on and what we planned on.
We had a senior project manager that came to me and said, "Hey, Dylan, like this is what scheduling dreams are made of." And it's a comment like that really sticks with me. And it's like, wow, we did make the right decision and moving forward with this product.
This platform can help us elevate our game, get better at scheduling and standardize it across the company like we did with, Procore, using one platform that everybody uses the same way. And that it's easy to launch anywhere because it's cloud-based.
Quite frankly, and I judge these things by how quickly people come on and attend to your needs when you hit what you like to chat with an agent. It's been instantaneous at Outbuild. Someone's always there. Ben, Brittany, whoever. They're always there. I don't wait. They generally answer the question very quickly.
Why a scheduling tool that's easy? I want everybody from the field engineer to the project manager to be able to use the same tool and not have it be so complicated. Only 5 people within the company know how to use it. Like it's a waste of money and a waste of everybody's time.
Hey, how can we get it all in one spot? Now it's like everything's in Procore, right? Now we not only have that, we can sync everything to our schedule and have all that live there. There's no need to have all these different documents living out there. That's how things get missed.
Now I know this is going to start to sound sales pitchy, but like it's a reason we really liked Outbuild was that it was all together and it can communicate with each other, that schedule and that look ahead plan. And there's mobile access and easy to share with people, just all things that didn't exist before. I mean, sure, you could email around an Excel sheet or a project file or something, but there was no collaborative effort on it.
Prior to Outbuild, we didn't have a tool that would automatically tell you you're behind. This is what's going to be impacted. You're ahead. This is what you can now start sooner than you thought. So just simply showing project teams in real time how you be able to do that in Outbuild. I mean, people got excited.
But Outbuild is designed based on the construction process, and that's all that they've focused on.
Feel like you guys are listening. You truly care what your customers think and need from the product, and you're taking that into consideration and implementing that based off the feedback that's coming in.
Why we went enterprise with it is just because the handful of jobs that we got to pilot it on, it was a unanimous decision from all those project teams of, yes, I would absolutely use this again.
On that particular job, the owners love it, because they know that we're managing that on a daily basis, and it's easy to, visually it's easy to see and understand where you're at.
So again, those roadblocks, the ability to couple that with our use of Procore, tie submittals, tie RFIs into like actual tasks within the schedule that are linked together. So that way we can truly run our projects through the schedule itself. Again, it's different than we've done in the past, and I think is the right approach to take to successfully deliver a project.
It fits extremely well in with the look ahead and then breaking it down to the weekly planner. I think it echoes kind of the process we want to do. It helps us get there. So I think that's been huge.
When we implemented Outbuild, it was the software that people were the most excited about. I have not seen assistant superintendents light up for a new piece of software like they did for Outbuild.